Welcome to session 8 PPT presentation. This is a program related to BCom, subject commerce, semester 5th semester, Mangalore University, and the first chapter, session 8. Topic is carry forward of losses under section 71B, 72 subsection 1, 73 subsection 2, 74 subsection 1 and 74 subsection A. Carry forward of losses, meaning when the assessee or taxpayer could not set off the losses in the assessment year of their occurrence, the unabsorbed loss can be carried forward set off against his income in subsequent years. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಬ್ಬ ಅಸೆಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಆ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾದರೆ ಆ ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾವಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂತಹ ಮೆಥಡಿಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಿ ಶುಡ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪರ್ಸ್ಯೂಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಫೈಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಹಿಮ್. ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಸಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್. ಯಾವುದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದೆ. ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, ಲಾಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ನಾನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್, ಲಾಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್, short term or long term capital loss, loss from the activity of maintenance of the horse race. No loss other than the 5 can be carried forward for set of purposes. First one, loss under the head income from house property, loss from non-speculative business or profession, loss from speculation business, short term or long term capital loss, loss from the activity of maintaining the horse race. There are certain legal provisions relating to this carry forward method. First one is, loss from house property can be carried forward to subsequent 8 assessment years for set off against income from house property. ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಹೌಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅದರ ಮುಂದಿನ 8 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ತನಕ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಂದಿನ 8 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲಾದರೂ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಲಾಸನ್ನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಸಿಕ್ವೆಂಟ್ 8 ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. Second legal provision, loss from non-speculative business can be carried forward to the subsequent 8 assessment years for set off against the income from business. ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಅದರ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಸಿಗಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾದರೆ ಆ ಉಳಿದ ಲಾಸನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿನ 8 ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಆಗ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಡ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ 8 assessment year on 19 if the business is revived within 3 years. Okay, the order of set off is as under. First one, current depreciation ಇದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಮುಂದಿನ 8 ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಆನ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್, ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಲಾಸ್, ಅನ್ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಬ್ಡ್ ಡಿಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್, unabsorbed capital expenditure on scientific research and family planning, unabsorbed development expenses. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರವೇ ಮುಂದಿನ 8 ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಸಿಕ್ವೆಂಟ್ 4 ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್. ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಆದರೆ, ಬೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ಲಾಟ್ರಿ, horse race, either loss can be carried forward to the subsequent assessment years for set off against the speculation profits only. This is very much important. Speculation loss can be carried forward to the subsequent 4 years for set off against the speculation profit only. Loss on capital asset can be carried forward to the subsequent long term capital gain 8 assessment years for set off only against capital gain, but carry forward long term capital loss can be written off only against the long term capital gain. Yes, loss on race horses can be carried forward to subsequent for assessment years for set off only against the income from owning and maintaining the horses. Just go through this table, carry forward of the losses at a glance. Loss from house property carry forward in the following 8 years, income from the house property. Loss from business profession carried forward in the following 8 years, income from any other business or profession. Loss from speculation can be carried forward in the following 4 years, income from speculation. Loss from activity of owning and maintaining horse races can be carried forward to the income from activity of owning and maintaining horse races. Now, section 71B regarding the carry forward of loss from house property. Just set off against a future income under the head house property only. Time period maximum of 8 years. Time period is to be calculated from the end of the relevant assessment year in which the loss was suffered. Example, if a loss related to the assessment year 2012 and 13, it can be carried forward up to the assessment year 2021. Section 72, carry forward of loss of non-speculation business. Set off against future income from any business of the assessee. Time period also 8 years. It's not necessary that it must be set off against income from same business. If there is income from any other business, it can be set off. This carry forward and set off is allowed even if the business in which loss was suffered has been discontinued. However, if the business if transferred, the set off will not be allowed to the successor unless such succession is by way of inheritance. For example, loss of car business can be carried forward and set off against the profit of computer business. There is one important note, the carry forward loss can be set off against the business activity even though such business activity is accessible under a different. For example, when assessee is involved in letting out property on floor area basis, it is his business, but the income from it for the purpose of income tax is assessed under the head house property. Section 73, loss in speculation business, set off against income of speculation business only. Time period 4 years. It can't be set off against any other head. The business to which the loss pertains to be may be discontinued. Section 73A, loss of specified business under section 35 AD. Any loss computed in respect of specified business shall be allowed to be adjusted only profit of some other specified business. If any loss remains unabsorbed as above, it can be carried forward. Conditions for carry forward, set off against future income of specified business only. Time period, it shall be allowed to carry forward without any time limit until it is fully set off. Section 74, carry forward of loss under the head capital gain. Set off against unabsorbed short-term capital loss, long-term capital loss and short-term capital gain. Unabsorbed long-term capital loss only against the long-term capital gain. Section 74A, carry forward of loss of activity of owning and maintaining horse races, set off against future income of the same business only. Time period 4 years. Conclusion, losses which could not be set off against income of the assessment year do not lapse but are allowed to be carried forward to be set off against income of the subsequent years. Carry forward of losses for each head is governed by different sections which defines the number of years it can be carried forward against which the income it can be set off. Thank you.